Alright, we're about to start tearing down this 1996 Z50. I kept forgetting if it was a 91 or 96 when I was getting ready to order parts. Let's see how the lighting is. Maybe if I cut this off a little bit, that'd be better or worse. Or the same. That looks kind of okay. Alright, so we're going to tear this whole motor down. First thing I can do is top end. If I pull these off, it'll be hard to get my timing chain off. So first thing I want to do is loosen the timing chain. And there's a 10mm over on this side. And should be able to pop that loose. Bags for everyone. Bags for everyone. Alright. These are usually 9mm. That happens to be an 8. Probably don't have it. Alright. Throw that in the bag. Poker. Timing gears out. Alright, let's see. I've already popped these loose with my 10. So we'll pull that loose. That's good. It's all coming loose. This holds your tensioner wheel. Now it's going to fall down the motor, but that's okay. Actually it won't. I'm just kidding. Alright, top end. All these should have a washer on them. This one will have a brass washer. It's your oil return and it flexes. So I said oil turn, that's your, I think it's your oil pump. Alright, cap should come off. But don't hit it with something. Caps off. Alright. Rubber mallet. Valves look a little chuckly. I imagine needs a new top end kit. Been burning some oil. We'll do all that. Gas is off. I'll loosen that back. Okay, let's get loose. You can kind of pull on it with a little pressure and hit it, and then it should come off. I will. Just like that. Let's get a need to clean this flywheel off pretty good. Lots of good rust and stuff in there. Shouldn't be a major problem though. There's a key here. We need to probably get it off or we lose it. So see if we can get it out. Put it in the bag. Sometimes they're stuck in there forever. Sometimes they're stuck in there long enough for you to lose it. I'm gonna take off the clutch cover. Notice remember, they all are sticking out about the same length, even though the bolts are different size. Should just be on the shaft there now. There's a piece of falling out. It's my shifter. Phew, pretty stinky. Get a bag for all this. I'm gonna take the shifter off and this stuff here off. It's actually all just falling off there. I want this ignition off. I've got an impact. A lot of times, if you just use the impact as a screwdriver, you can get it out. And today ain't a lot of times. Let's get a bag, shall we? I'm gonna see if I can use a... Kind of looks like it's been leaking maybe right there. It's been sucking in actually. There's a dirty spot there. Clutch and check it all out. I went ahead and used the impact on these and got these loose. We'll Loctite these when they go back in. GoPro, stop recording. Plastic bag with all our stuff for our... heated up my clutch with a heater, and then here it is, thingamajigger, and that fits right inside the dilly whopper. So if you don't have a thingamajigger, you can use a screwdriver, but these thingamajiggers are pretty cheap. Clutch puller. Really just need to bend it. Alright, got the clutch bolt off. Had to use the adapter to the adapter to the adapter to the adapter. There is a washer on here that is beveled towards the bottom, and then you got your retainer also. So there we go. It'll say on this side up, out, out. Okay. We're gonna get a bag just for that. Here's one. I believe that gear will come off too, if I'm not mistaken. We're in a tight spot.
What?
Got it. Alright.
Did you say that my foot drops?
Yep, that gear come off. We're gonna pull that gear off too. Now once we pop the other side off, we'll be able to see all our shift shaft stuff too. Leave that C-clip in there. That comes off. There's another slider there. And a washer. So we're going to put that back together. And that does got a little bit of wear on it. Still feels okay though. This was beveled to the outside, so remember that. Shifter deal too. So we'll find out. I think we can leave those on. We'll just take our time. The back end's not coming. Give her a little couple of those.
Stop trying to get the controller back. I'm making them do it for you.
Okay. It's all coming apart now. Got our kicker off. Pull that out. And our shifter. I just had 2 washers fall off. One came off the top of here. So that would be, let's leave it there for now. And then we've got another one that goes to this piece here. And it also had a collar on it. Oops. Look at what Daddy found. Right here. Missing our tooth. Let's check this other gear too. It looks okay. I'm gonna spray this off real good, and then we'll check that. I'm gonna go look at all the rest of these gears real good. All right, to get our transmission out, we've got to get our gear shift shaft. What do you call it? Anyway, got to get it out. 10mm bolt. So let me find something. In our bag with our shift star. We've got our plug. Now all this should come out. Get a bag ready. Gonna have to keep an eye on all this because I just dropped some of it off right here. Goes retainer, gear, got a little tooth deal, and then it goes the spacer, and then the washer. So keep that in mind. You can zip tie these together or just put them back on the shaft once you get it all out. There's probably some washers on the end of these, so try and pull it out in one piece. There's one for this side and no washer on that side. So we can take, and this is our good one. We're going to check all these teeth. So you got a washer there and a clip there. And then our shifter drum. Forks look good and straight. But just, that stuff is ridiculous. Okay. Alright, so this is the first half of the tear down. Spread the cases out pretty good. We'll still have to go back and razor blade all this stuff off. But we're about to make a list of parts and get things ordered while some's coming in. And anyway, like, subscribe, hit the notification button. You'll see some more of this, the Z50R. I know you all hear my dryer going. Thank you guys.